Jasper. Jasper, your challenge is over.
Yeah. I took a bath water.
What was the hardest part of the challenge?
What I'm gonna say, before I tell the hardest part, I learned a lesson from this.
What's that?
I talk way too much. Not being able to talk for a day really made me think that I talk way too much. But I think the hardest parts was, out of all of it, was school. I know it's not that hard, but out of all of it, I would say school.
What made school hard?
Friends at school, and when I got called on, that was really hard.
Oh, yeah. Did you have to mime out your answers to things, or did you have to just say you couldn't talk?
I had to just, stare at the paper and pretend like I didn't know how to spell. So
Oh, no. That must have been really frustrating. What's your next challenge?
Comment down below.
What?
You guys can comment down below what you want me to do next.
Okay. Do your sign off.
I'm just kidding. Goodbye, fellow savages. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.